Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio F-105. Okay, first you will need to press the mode button several times until you see something like this. So here the second is flashing or blinking. And then, yes, next you can reset the second by pressing this one, the right button. So if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this, okay? And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, now press this one, the light button on the top left. And now we can set the hour. You can use the right button to change the value, but only up, so meaning 21. If I press this one, then yes, it will goes up. So if I want to return to 21, I can just press and hold, and then press one by one until I get back to 21. Okay, now press again this one, the top left button, and now we are setting the minute. Okay, for this one also the same thing. You can press the right button to change the value up, so like this. And if I want to set, let's say 25, then I can just press and hold until maybe 20 something, and then yeah, press one by one until I get to the number that I want. Okay, now press again the light button, and we are setting this one is the month. You can use the right button to increase the number, so same thing. If I want to use 11, then I can press several times until I get to 11. And then press again this one, the light button on the top left. And now we are setting the date, so same thing. And yes, if I want to set as 22, then yeah, press and hold until almost 22, and then I can press one by one until I get 22 here. And then press again this one, the light button, and now is the day of the week. So I can press this one, the right button, to change the value. And yes, if I want to set as Friday, then something like this. And then press again the top left button, and now we are back to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the setting for the time, date, and so on, you can press the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode. And then you can change the time format using the right button. So this one is 24-hour format, and this one is the 12-hour format. So let me use the 24-hour format for now. And done for the basic setting of this watch, Casio F-105.